All right, what's up, everybody? We're here in Aurora, Illinois. We're about to go into the Nike outlet right here in Aurora, Illinois, and I got a special guest today with me today. His name is MJ. Say what's up, MJ.
What's up?
All right, so let's get right into it. So right there, you got them burgundy Air Force One highs right there with that diamond front. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and go ahead and ring that bell for future notifications. What I do is I go to outlets and I go to Finish Line, Foot Locker, all kinds of places, and get sneakers. I do reviews on sneakers and all that. So let's get right into it. So right here we got these breads, black and red Nike Air Maxes right there, and then they got the blue and silver ones right there. Those are pretty cool. Everything pretty much in the store was like 20% off right there. So I kept going back to these because these were really cool. They kept catching my eye, and they look really good on the shelf. So I can imagine they would look good on feet too. So, and then I saw these right here, $59.99 with the additional 20% off. So that's a pretty sweet deal. You can't really beat that. Yeah, pretty cool. And 20% off on that. And then you got these salmon Air Force Ones with the foam posit, shielding right there. So, and then they got those all black ones right there. Those are pretty nice too. So then I found these two, these Jordan 6 Flyknits right here. Man, those are super clean. So up close, man, those are some good looking shoes right there. It's just a different concept. It's not the Air Jordan 6 that we're used to. So man, if they would have done it like that with everything the same on the Air Jordan 6s, I think that would be a really cool concept. Kind of like they did the Air Jordan 1 Flyknits, where they didn't really change a thing. And man, these are cool too. These LeBrons right here with the safari print. What is it, $89.99 with the 20% off? Those are nice. I don't know. I don't know if I could pull this off. So they're pretty cool looking though. So, and then I saw these LeBron lows right here in the blue colorway. So pretty cool. $99.99 with the 20% off. So that's a pretty sweet deal. It'd be about $70 for those. And then I found these Kobe's right here, $64.99. The Mamba Instincts. I tried these on and they're super comfy. They had that thick midsole. And then that sole in there is really thick as well too. So pretty cool shoe, pretty comfortable shoe. And then they had the bright colorway as well. So I like that. It's a good looking shoe, They're sitting up. This Spizikes right here is the combination of all kinds of Jordans. You got the Jordan 3 right there, part of the 5 on there, 4 on the side. You got the 9 in the back. And just all kinds of Jordans just mesh well together, I'm just not a fan of that colorway, I don't own any Spizikes, so. And then the hash wall, they got the 20% off back here. I found some really cool deals. They got these Air Max right here, these 90 pluses, and they had the gold on the back. So and it's really shiny too. It's a good looking shoe right there. And then you got those Air Force Ones, those military ones right there. And so there's my brother-in-law right there, secret shopper. Look at him. What's he looking at? Right there. Okay, some zip ups. I don't even know what those are. And then there you got right here these 95s Air Maxes right here. They were $119 with an additional 20% off. So that's a pretty good deal, man. I actually tried those on because that's my size right there, 9.5 or 10, whatever they were. But yeah, 9.5. So I actually tried those on, and man, back in the day, those used to be like my favorite shoes, and they were like putting on freaking boots. It was crazy. And so then I checked these out, and I was like, wow, check these out. These are cool. Look really comfortable. Looks like they got some solid materials on there. And that foam was really thick and really, really squishy too. So I was like, man, these are nice. 120 with 20% off, so about $100. Then I found these Superflies. Those other shoes weren't in my size, so I didn't even try them on. I probably should have, but and then I found these again. These are just super clean looking. I'm a big fan of these. Very comfortable, and like I said, I own one pair, I think, but I've owned pairs before, and they've always been good too. There's the Air Max 1 Premium. Really cool, that speckled right there, that orange speckled. I know they're purple and gray, and they got some tan in there, but I had never seen this colorway before, so it really caught my eye. And then you got those Victor Cruises right there, the all suede joints. Pretty cool. And then the Kyrie suede joints down here with that speckled $99.99 minus 20% off, so it's been like $80. Then you got these Air Max 1 Premiums. I actually tried these on just to see what was up. I know they've had a ton of colorways come out this year, but I put those on, and oh man, those things are freaking hard. And then I put these I found these right here, these Air Jordan 31. Yeah, Air Jordan 31 lows, and I was like, wow, let me check these out. So went and pulled them out, tried them on. Oh man, those things fit like a dream. They were super comfortable too. And I was wearing some comfortable shoes too. I was wearing my Air Max 90s, the Flyknit versions, and the Ultra Flyknits. And man, you know, after and then putting these on, it was like freaking jumping on a trampoline. They were so comfortable. I didn't end up picking up. The line was just too crazy. I ended up going to ADIDAS and the ADIDAS outlet, and I found these. These are cool looking, so I didn't pick those up either. But I just thought they were different looking. So, and then you got these Hardens right here, that green colorway. Pretty cool. It's like an olive green with a light olive, and then you got that bottom right there. And then I found these right here, these all red Aniki joints with the big boost bottoms. Pretty cool shoe. The red version really pops. And then they had a brown version, $99.99 with additional 30% off, so that made that shoe like $65 plus tax. So and then they had a green version as well, olive color. And I found these two, these Hardens right here. That was like just caught my eye. It was like a size 20 shoe. It was freaking huge, man. And then these right here, these I'd never seen these before. These Predator Tangos 18 plus or whatever. I don't know what that means, but 30% off, $150. So pretty cool shoe. And there's a Predator right there on the back. So cool concept. And then I saw these two, these pods, and I was like, wow, look at those. Those are boost pods or whatever they're calling them, pods. Seen a couple reviews on them. I think Jock Slade's had one really cool review. If you haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and check him out. Shout out. So I ended up leaving. I went to Burlington on the way home, and wasn't really finding anything right here. I just was kind of looking at slim picking. I was, you know, on my way home. I was like, well, let me catch this one for the vlog. So went ahead and checked it out. And but man, I ended up finding some really cool shoes, and you'll see at the end. So patience is a virtue, you know, because I almost picked up some shoes at the ADIDAS store, but I was like, you know what? Let me hold up. So you're about to see it. So still nothing, still looking. What do you see? And then I didn't even see those, but I see them now. Those what are they called? The Supernovas, the Supernova boosts. And then I found these right here, but no big deal. So but yeah, I saw some Supernova boosts up in there. They're blue and red. It was pretty cool what they did with them. But I don't think I got them in the video. And then I found these two, these Superstars. So 9.5. The leather on those was pretty good though. They had almost remind me of the Yin Yang's leathers on the Yin Yang Jordan 1s that came out. So those are pretty cool. So yeah, slim picking, and all of a sudden, boom, found some Superstars. And right there, the baby blue and white, North Carolina colorway. So pretty cool. Found those, and then all of a sudden, boom! Look what I found. Look at. Found some these right here. This EQT boost, the boost, right there, 10.5. I ended up trying it on. Man, they felt super big. It was crazy because normally I'm a 10, you know, 10.5 some shoes, 9.5. I mean 9.5, 9.5, between 9.5 and 10.5, and but man, these have so much chunky boost in them. It's crazy. It's that chunky boost, you know. I don't know if y'all remember that chunky soup. They had the Campbell's soup, and then they got the Campbell's chunky soup. These are the chunky boost. And then I found right here the energy boost right here. These are cool. There's like a thinner model of the boost, almost like an ultra boost, but it doesn't go all the way to the tip of the toe. It's like, why you gotta stop right there? Don't stop. But it had that Continental rubber, so that's a good looking shoe. That's a good running shoe right there. I can imagine just running in that shoe. That's probably freaking awesome. So that's a good shoe right there. It's got a lot of similarities to the Ultra Boost. And I found these right here, these Academics right here. I didn't even know they made shoes, but it's a black shoe right here. It's a good looking shoe. I mean, if you look at it from, you know, it's a good looking shoe. It was really light too. Felt really cheap though. And then this Jordan model right here kind of caught my eye. It was Remind me of Oreo colorway. You know, it's got that black, that gray, and the white, and you know, it's a pro model right there. $59.99. Not a bad price. Balling on a budget. And they had these right here too. Some more boosts right here. It's kind of like a supernova boost, but it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's a real thin boost. And then I found these bounce. These bounce, $42.99. Can't really beat that price right there. Those are super comfortable shoes if you're looking for like and then all of a sudden, boom, found another pair. So another 10.5 too. They had a couple 10.5s in those. I ended up finding one in a 12 and then one in like a 9 or something. But then boom, look what I found. These ADIDAS EQTs in the black and white colorway. Look at that chunky boost right there. So best of both worlds. Got them in the black, got the white bottoms. 9.5. Like I said, I tried on those 10.5s and they were just like freaking huge. So then I tried these on. Got that 360 on there. I ended up picking these up. They were only $45. So, and I've seen them on StockX. They go for like $120, $125 in the same colorway. So, you know, that EQT support right there on the side, it's all leather. And then on the other side, it's leather. And then all that right there is like a mesh color. It's like a mesh material. And then it's got those black and white stripes. So, and then all of a sudden, what are those? Found some Crocs. I'm not lying. I'm digging the Crocs. I tried them on, super comfortable. My son swears by them, and so I'm gonna end up getting a pair for the house. So, you know, wear what you like. That's what I always say. But yeah, no, super cool. You got that velvet on this. I should have picked these up. They were like $11, but I don't know. I was just like, whatever. But God bless you. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you like what you saw, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And you have a wonderful day. God bless you.